Even though happiness lies within, there are two important words that are external yet important for our happiness. Hi, my name is Vibhor Kumar Singh, and this is my podcast, Catching Happiness with Vibhor. In this podcast, I help you unclutter from within and find your happiness one day at a time. So far, we have seen how the right attitude mixed with the correct balance gives you the confidence to find your happiness. Today, for letter F, I am going to discuss two different concepts. Both are not connected directly, yet both have a direct impact on our happiness. The first word which I will discuss today is F for fitness. I know the word fitness brings visuals of well toned bodies, yet, this is not the fitness that I am talking about. I am talking about a fitness in which the mind and the body are in total control of your actions. Being physically and mentally fit is an important component in life. When you are fit physically, you have a sense of confidence. You have the willpower to be persistent in doing what you want to do in life. We must all remember that we do not value our physical fitness till it starts deteriorating. We all take our physical body for granted, and it is only when there is a malfunction in our physical system do we sit up and take notice. Unfortunately, sometimes this becomes too late. It is therefore very important to ensure you maintain a level of physical fitness that supports your daily lifestyle and at the same time ensures that you are able to persist with your ambition, you are able to persist with your goals in life. There is no bigger tragedy than having to give up on your dreams in life because your physical fitness is not up to the level of endurance that is required. You see, I have always believed that some of the greatest achievers in life have benefited not only from their mental excellence but also from the fact that they have had longevity on their side. When you are physically fit, you can enjoy life in a better manner, you can remain focused for a longer time, and you have more opportunities to succeed and master your craft. It is difficult to be happy with pain. Always remember, if you are not physically fit, if your body is in pain, no amount of money, no amount of sympathy can take it away. Your pain is yours to endure. No one can share it. No one can buy it from you. Moreover, when you're not physically fit, there will always come a time in which your body will overshadow your mind and tell it to give up. So, being physically fit is pretty essential for you to find your happiness in life. You don't have to be Superman or Wonder Woman to fall into the category of being physically fit. Being fit enough to support your daily lifestyle is sufficient for most of us. The second word, which is very important in our life, in fact, is a backbone for a lot of happiness in our life, is friends and family. F for friends and family is the other gift that we can give ourselves in this journey of happiness. However, like everything else in life, some of us have complicated these beautiful relationships and find it difficult to discover the happiness that these relationships have to offer. Friends and family are without doubt an incredible source of happiness, and they can provide the backbone for us achieving so many of our dreams. There is no substitute for parents, and there is equally no substitute for a good friendship. However, it is us and the misunderstandings that we create in life that sometimes takes us away from these two relationships. If you're fortunate enough to enjoy healthy relationships with your friends and family, I request you to please safeguard these relationships. Don't let them slip away at any cost. Hold on to them, value them, and ensure that you do not take them for granted. If, on the other hand, you have complicated your life by distancing yourself from your friends and family, I think it is time for you to pick up the phone and call these people. Trust me, it is difficult to mend a broken relationship. However, it is simple to say sorry. We make our own life difficult. We make our own journey of happiness difficult by cluttering these relationships. Friends and family are always there for you, provided you are willing to reach out to them. I'm sure if you were to analyze any broken relationship, you will see it is always the most insignificant action that has led to a complete breakdown in relationships. It is therefore essential that you take the first step towards restarting these valuable relationships in life. Take the initiative to mend broken relationships. Don't worry about what the world will think. Don't worry about what others will say. Value people, value relationships, and there is no way you will not find happiness in life. So, folks, even though I have covered these two important concepts in a quick manner, I hope you have seen the value in both of them. Fitness is essential to endure a lifelong journey of happiness. Friends and family are important to give you that peace of mind which no other relationship can give you. Do share this podcast with anyone whom you think needs to be told that happiness can be found one day at a time.